Hello Hazelwood East students, it's Mrs. Heigert, your friendly school librarian here, to share with you Sora by Overdrive, a new ebook app that is now available through the library. When you first click on the link to Sora, you will be asked to select your school. Simply scroll down until you get to Hazelwood School District and sign in. There is no username or password that you need to remember because you will simply sign in using your Hazelwood Google account. And just like that, I'm into the app. The first thing I would like to show you are the 4 tabs at the bottom of the screen. There's Home, Explore, Shelf, and Me. If this is your first time using the app, you will want to begin with Explore. This is where you will be able to find and check out books to read. The first collection you will see is Diverse Reads for Kids and Teens. Below that, you will see Popular Subjects. This will be a good place to start if you like to browse by genre. If I keep scrolling down, you will notice that our books are categorized into collections. Up here you will see the title of the collection, a brief sampling of some of the books that are in the collection, and down here how many books are in the collection. If I click here, I will be able to browse through all 410 books. I can always go back to the Explore page. I'm going to continue scrolling so you can see some of the different collections that we have to offer. This collection only contains audiobooks. You can tell the difference between ebooks and audiobooks because an audiobook will have an image of headphones beneath the book cover. Now we are getting into our award-winning books. Again, you can click on all 17 books to see all titles in this collection. If you want to know more about a book, you can click on the book cover. Here in the middle, there is a summary of the book. Over here on the right, you have the option to borrow the book. You can read a sample of the book before deciding to borrow it, or you can add it to a list, maybe to read later. If I borrow the book, it's going to immediately open the book. And now I can begin reading. Down here at the bottom is a progress bar. It's going to show how far into the book I currently am. I can click off of that to make it go away. And to turn the page forward, I simply click on the right side of the page. And I can get here to the first page of the book. Ooh, I clicked on a hyperlink. Now I get to the first page of the book and I can start reading. If I want to go back a page, I simply go and click on the left side, and that will go to the page behind. If you would like to change the settings of the font size or style to make it easier to read, all you have to do is click in the middle of the screen. You'll see the progress bar come back, but you can also click on these 3 lines up here and go to Reading Settings. Here you can increase the font size, make it bigger, or you can make it smaller. And then down here you can adjust the lighting. And then down here you can select different font styles. Maybe one is easier for you to read than another. Pick a font that you like and then you can click Done. Click over here and now I can continue reading, and it might just be a little bit easier for me to read. When I'm done reading the book, just click in the center and I can close the book. Oh look, I just earned a badge for reading 5 minutes or less 5 times in a day. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to go back to Explore. Or I'm going to go back to these Truman Award nominees. Okay, now I notice that some of these books, like this one, The Miscalculations of Lightning Girl, this one does not have the option to borrow. These books up here have the option to borrow. This one does not. That is because this book, all the copies of this book are currently checked out. So I can place a hold on this book, which just means I'm in line to check out the book as soon as it becomes available, and they will notify me. If you click over here on the clock, you will see how long the wait is. For this particular book, the wait list is approximately 1 week. There are 3 copies of the book. There's only 1 person currently waiting for the book. That means there's fewer than 1 person waiting per copy. So that means I'll get the book fairly quickly. If I place the hold, then that I would be the 2nd person in line for as soon as the book becomes available. I'm going to click off of that, and then if I do want to put a hold on this book, all I have to do is click on place hold. And so now I will be alerted, I will be notified as soon as the book is available for me to check out. Now I want to come down here and show you the shelf tab. Here is where you will see all the books that you have checked out currently. You can check out up to 3 books at a time, and each book will be borrowed for a period of 14 days. After 14 days, it is immediately returned to the collection, and you can always return a book early if you finish before that. Up here, if I click on holds, I will see all of the books that I have on hold, as well as approximately how long I have to wait for the book to become available. If I decide I don't want to wait for the book, I can click on options and I can cancel the hold. Now I want to show you the home tab. If you come down here to the bottom, up at the top you will see it says no assignments. Perhaps as the year goes on, you may have a teacher assign you a book to read. In that case, it will appear up here at the top of the home screen. Underneath that, you will see any books that you currently have checked out. Now you have enough information to begin using Sora by Overdrive. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time.